to x squared, or this is when you multiply. What about if you have x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 4? Well, here there's multiplication, so you add exponents. So the answer will be x to the power of 7. How about when you divide x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2? So here, when we divide, we subtract. 3 minus 2, top minus bottom, equals to 1. So we could write this as equals to x to the power of 1, or just equals to x. So now, if we take an exponent, for example, a variable, if we take x times x, that will be, we said x to the power of 2. What about addition? So x plus x. What will we get? What will be here? So we know that, for example, here, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, whereas 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So same here. This is the same thing applies here. So it will be 2x. So this thing is same as this. So also we can take division of variables. How does a variable, for example, x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2, how do we subtract and get x? The answer is x to the power of 1, or x. Well, let me explain this. This is equal to x times x times x divided by x times x. So we can cancel. So we're left with 1x. So that's how we got x is 1. So we did division. So we took it. Another example is x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3. So we subtract here. So 5 minus 3, which equals to 2. So the answer will be x to the power of 2. Okay, so what about a minus? How do we get a minus exponent? So if we have an x to the power of 2 divided by x, sorry, that's an 8, x to the power of 5. So we said top minus bottom, so that will be 2 minus 5. So that will be minus 3. So, oh no, so it's minus now. It's okay. If it was minus, so x to the power of minus 3, we cannot leave it like that. We must, in algebra, we have to make it positive. So to turn this positive, we need to flip it, reciprocal. So instead of x, it will be 1 upon x to the power of 3. Yeah. So this is the correct answer. Now, so also multiplication. How did we get like for example here x, let's take to the power of 3 times x to the power of 4. So we said 3 plus 4 is equal to x to the power of 7. How is this? How did we get this? So we got this, let me explain. So this is how we do it. X, so x to the power of 3, x to the power of 3 here is equal to, so this is x to the power of 3 times x times x. So this is the x to the power of 3. This is one group times x. So we took it as x, so times x to the power of 4. So that will be x times x times x times x. So that's another group. You can see here. So this will at the end will be 1, 2, okay, don't take these and this is 1. Um, this is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be x will be x to the power of 7. This is the answer. So you might be asking, in all mathematics, there is something times something, right? So it must there in even in variables algebra there is that. So you might be asking, when do we multiply exponents? When? So we could take this as x. This is when it will happen. X to the power of 4 all to the power of 3. Here, as we have brackets, this thing will be multiplied. So this thing will be times 4 times 3, which equals to x to the power of 12. Why is that? Here, this is because we distribute the 3 multiply on the 4 on the here exponent here. So this is an exponent. It multiplies the exponent inside. So it will be 12, as you can see. So let's do some practices. So here's one question for you. So x to the power of 4 times, or so this will be, so here is multiplication. So here we will add the exponents. So here it will be x to the power of 9. Now let's take the linear equation. linear equation will be in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.